today we're at Brands Hatch, Italia Day, so well.
I've got to say it! I've got to say it! Welcome Minis and Motorbikes, run timers. Right, Neal. How are we? Yes, good.
Very good.
It's been a long time, hasn't it?
It's been a while.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Right, now, where do we start? At the beginning, I think. A bit of history of cars.
At the very beginning?
Yes. That's where we will start.
Well, obviously, we go back to 1977 when the family moved into Newport, so I wasn't quite old enough to drive then, of course, but the first car was a Renault 30 TX.
Yeah, I remember that very well.
V6 turbo,
very comfortable.
manual.
Yeah.
Seats that were bigger than the armchairs that we had indoors. And then moved on to a Volkswagen Golf, black Series 1.
Yeah, see, I don't remember that.
You don't remember that?
No, I remember the Renault, but I don't remember the Golf.
Yeah, the Renault was a green
sort of like metallic green.
Yeah, that's right.
Because earlier I thought it was a Renault 21 turbo, but it wasn't.
No, it was a 30, it was a V6.
Yeah.
So, and from there I went on to the XR4i, which you remember.
Yeah, I love that. Yeah, that was lovely. Yeah,
it was
V6,
which
injection.
God bless it, ended up in a field on black ice.
Yeah, in a field, then upside down.
Yeah. So it, and then we moved on to the original RS Whaletail Cosworth.
Yeah.
Tried for a couple of years. And
that was lovely because there weren't many in the Moonstone Blue, was there? I don't think.
There wasn't. I can't remember exactly how many there were. Most were black.
Yeah.
As was what I moved on to then. The RS 500, which was black.
Yeah, because I always thought it was a Brody Britain, but it wasn't, was it?
No, the 500 was Collins Engineering. One on a car, I bought it, and
because you had a bit of bad luck with that as well, didn't you?
Yeah, it had a bit of history to it, and I spent a lot of money doing the engine up. That was Dave Mountain mapped that back in the day, etc., and I sold that about.
Because that was bloody quick.
That was a quick car. That was 508 on his dyno.
Yeah.
And then I sold that about 2012, 2013.
I didn't realise you had it as long as that.
I had it 22 years.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
22 years.
I
and
didn't realise that.
I got half decent money for it now.
Just skyrocketed.
And the guy that bought it converted back to as original as you could get it, because the standard ones now are a fortune. And then I had a couple of dailies, and then I ended up, I'd got rid of the Ferrari itch a few years ago, and then circumstance dictated I thought I'd go out and get another one, and hence I thought I'd get the 599.
Yeah, lovely. So hence the 599 is because they're 612 12 brake horsepower.
612 brake horsepower.
12 is very important.
Well, it is. You don't really notice it because your stomach's still behind. Another 12 horsepower doesn't make a lot of difference. But it's a proper bit of kit. Obviously, it's a derivative engine from the Ferrari Enzo.
But this one's a special one. This one, there weren't many of these ones around. Is it this particular one?
Well, the spec of it with black and creamer with the fingers, the Daytona fingers, black fingers on the seats. So low mileage. It's got all its original paperwork, even its what they call the VIP, the vehicle identification passport, which shows its build at Maranello. So I've got that. It's sort of a bit of an investment, but it's also
a little present to yourself.
Yeah, sort of the survival present, and you've got to enjoy life, haven't you?
Yeah.
So
you can't take it with you, can you?
No. So
go on.
And I was too old for a Sierra with a big.
No, never.
I was.
Never. No.
I
still think you should get one. Definitely.
No, I think
you should.
I think
never
I'll stick,
too old.
I think I'll stick with this. So it comes out on sunny-ish days.
So there are any sort of foibles with it? Is anything sort of Ferrari-ish about it? Or
it's, as people will know, the 599 is the first of the aluminium framed front mid-engine V12s that they did. It's also the last of the single plate clutch V12s. The F12 and the 812 are dual plate and a double plate, and to be perfectly honest, you have to think about when to change gear in this with a single plate, so you have to get the revs sort of right. Where the others are sort of video game-ish, to be perfectly honest. But so you feel a bit more connected with the car. You can fiddle about with a Manatino switch, so you can go sort of scary, a bit more scary, or not for me.
Not for me. Someone else.
So it's got all its bells and whistles.
So have you had the arse end out of it at all? No, that's not like you.
No. I've got a lot older and wiser.
Really?
The benchmark wasn't that high, to be perfectly honest.
Joe said older.
The benchmark wasn't that high, but no. I haven't really given it a proper sort of dig. I might take it on the track.
You should do.
When time.
Because we'd probably do a track day with a Mini, and that'd bring it along. We'll get a load of other people along.
Yeah, if I can keep up with you, I will. Yeah. We'll get it.
No, that'd be good. And we all do that. I think get all of us out and about. Get Morley out and everybody.
I'm very much enjoying watching your.
Good, thank you.
Your build videos.
It's early days yet, but hopefully it'll improve.
I'm not too sure about the cameraman.
No,
he's
got height issues, the cameraman.
Was he?
Yeah, he's very short. I don't know if you noticed.
No, he needs a high vis, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does need a high vis.
You got one, didn't you?
I did, yeah. It's just a little bit too small.
We'll put him in the wash, then he'll shrink a bit, won't he?
Anyway, we're going to get some pictures of it and some things of it, and very much appreciate you showing us it. And
no problem at all.
Hope it goes well and you enjoy it, and that's it.
Yeah, we'll get it following that minute.
Yeah, good man. Thank you, Neal.
Cheers,
good
mate.
Right, we're here with Rob Kirby and Harri Kirby. We found his lovely Alfa in the paddock, and it's got some wonderful history. And we'd like to tell us about it, really, Rob.
The history? I'm not telling you about it.
Oh, come on.
I think Harri can probably tell you about it more than
Come
I
on,
can.
Harri.
It was such a long time ago.
Well, it was a first race in 1984 in the British Saloon Car Championship by Dad, built by him in Premier Garage. Race in 1985 in the same championship and won Class B, was it?
Yeah.
Won Class B overall. And then, we've dug it out, restored it.
So modesty stops me telling you about it.
Yeah, no,
it's not that I haven't
sorry, but I
forgotten.
don't like talking about things like that either.
I know, it's his first time sort of in public view here.
Yeah,
really.
no, it's lovely. Yeah. So you've had a run in it yet? Is it?
Yeah, we drove it at Snetterton, gave it a shakedown last week. Everything works okay. The car feels pretty much the same as it used to.
You were telling me you're going to improve the engine though. That was the only thing that you weren't quite happy with.
Well, it hasn't got the power. Pretty much a standard unit, but just to get the car rolling and make sure the wheels don't fall off. Really, I mean that was the basic plan. It went to plan. I had to learn Snetterton pretty rapidly.
Yeah, because it has changed
they
quite
keep
a bit.
changing it. I think they did it on purpose. I'm not sure. But no, Harri can tell you about the engine. Hopefully we're going to swap that over soon.
Yeah, it's basically a totally standard road car engine at the moment.
Yeah.
We didn't have the funds to rebuild it into a Group A car.
Yeah.
And so now we've sort of spent the money doing this, and now we're going to have to spend more money to do the proper engine.
So is it your company you work for that rebuilt it?
I know, I built it myself. I started my
sorry,
own.
I misunderstood. I know you made a lovely job of it.
Premier Motorsport.
Oh, of course, yes.
We started up our own business probably a year ago now.
Oh, right. Okay.
Restoring Group A touring cars from 1960s to 1980s touring cars, so everything from Ford Falcons.
I've seen some nice pics you've had on Instagram. And
Currently.
We just finished building a Sierra Cosworth that we should have won at the Silverstone Classic. Unfortunately, we had alternator failure. But we've been sort of building some fairly competitive cars, and hopefully this is the next one out of the box.
Yeah. So are you going to help with the engine, Rob, or not?
No.
I just get
No, we're going to share. We share the driving. We share. Hopefully everything that goes towards it. We help out.
No, it's good. It looks lovely. You've made a really nice job of it.
Thank you.
I think I told you that before anyway.
And we will be looking for sponsorship from John West Sam. We're going to need that, especially if we need to be competitive.
Any sponsorship was very welcome. No stickers on the car because it has to stay in the livery, but
no, it's cracking. It's really nice.
Thank you.
I'm so pleased you could let us film it and talk to you about it.
No problem.
Much appreciated. Thank you.
No problem.